Let's go, 98.4. Today I'm going to be reviewing FDK's large LCD screen digital thermometer. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. And boy, that is a large screen right there. Even this blind guy can see what it says there. 98.4, 10 seconds and accurate, very fast. That was insane. It talks to you too. So I guess if you're blind or you can't see even at this size, which it might be an issue with me soon. Perfect for adults, kids. I like these like flexible ones. I had another one like this, but I lost it. Waterproof, easy to clean, easy to change the battery if you need to. And it has an auto shut off. This also does have dual language. So when it speaks to you, you can have it speak to you in English or in Spanish. Really neat feature. This is suitable for rectal, which I won't be doing, or under the arm. This does really well on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice. It's got 4.6 stars, over 100 reviews, and last month, over 1,000 plus of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.